Hi guys, welcome to my channel Coded. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start dropshipping business on Shopify and to earn daily $500. So you can sell t-shirts like these. So basically, you are going to have wide range of t-shirts available on your Shopify store, and those t-shirts you can sell online. You don't even need to maintain the physical inventory. So everything will be done through drop shipping. So if you see currently, this is the product which I have done using the drop shipping, and I have my channel name that is coded, and currently this product t-shirt is listed on my Shopify website. So the customer can come and directly purchase this product. I'm not even maintaining the physical inventory of this particular product. So how do we do this and earn $500 per day? To know that, first kindly subscribe to my channel Coded, and also please give a thumbs up by liking this video and watch this video till the end, because at the end of the video you are going to learn and get complete information about dropshipping business. So without wasting much time, let's start with this tutorial. In order to start dropshipping business, we'll have to integrate a third party website. And the name of that particular dropshipping website is Printify. And we are going to connect it to a Shopify store using its app. So for that, we'll have to click on apps, and then we need to click on recommended apps. Over here, we need to scroll down a bit, and then we need to click on Shopify App Store. So this is going to open the App Store for us. So this is the Shopify App Store. Now in the search option, we need to type Printify. So after typing Printify, we need to press enter. So this is the app Printify, print on demand, and the logo color is green color. So click on it, and then we need to click on add app button over here. So basically it is going to install the app on a Shopify store. Now currently the app is getting installed on my Shopify store. So when you install any app on Shopify store, you're going to get similar screen. Over here, the app is going to ask for some permissions. Now click on install app button over here. Now the app will be successfully installed on your Shopify store. This process will take little bit of time, like 10 to 20 seconds. So wait with some patience. Now the app has been successfully installed on my Shopify store. Next thing we need to do is that we need to log into the Printify account. You can connect using your Google ID, or you need to register on the app by providing your email address and password. I'm directly going to use my Google ID for logging in. So now I will do the authentication using my Google ID. So there we go. I have successfully logged in into the app using my Google ID. So this is the dashboard of the Printify app. On this Printify app, you are going to have many products with different variations like colors, sizes and all. And you can import all those products on your Shopify store. So now let me show you some products. So now if I scroll down a bit, they have this bestseller section, and over here you can see there are different t-shirts, and on these t-shirts you can even mention your customized text. So if I scroll down, then you can see more t-shirts and other accessories. They even have phone covers and even the frames and all. So now if I click on my products, then currently you can't see any product because currently I have not imported any product. And under orders, you can see all the orders which the customer has placed on your Shopify store. So now let's go to the dashboard again, or even you can click on catalog. So they are having the different categories. So now let me open t-shirts of women's. So now I'll select this particular t-shirt, and now we need to scroll down a bit, and if you see they are having some product information about this particular t-shirt, like They're having various colors, then they have some different sizes, and even you can see what is the price of it and what is the shipping cost and how many days it will take for shipping. And there are some more options also, and you can also see the location of the product from where it is going to get shipped. And even if you click on more details, then you can see some more information about the product. Now we need to click on start designing. So now we are going to design a custom t-shirt. So by clicking on custom text, you can enter some custom information on the t-shirt. I'll add code it. You can also change the font family if you want, along with the size, and you can even change the colors. There are some more options over here. You can test all those features. Then you need to click on save product. This will take little bit of time for saving the product. Next, you are going to get the pricing screen. On the pricing screen, you can see the variants of that particular product, and you can see the size, color, and the retail price along with the profits and how much profit you are making. That is the profit margin. Also, if you see, there are many variants of this particular product, and they have some more mockups also. Now we need to click on publish, but before that you can see over here, you can see the preview of that particular t-shirt, and you can see the name that I had put coded. Now let's click on publish. So this will upload the particular product on a Shopify store. So basically from Printify to a Shopify store, the product will be imported. So there we go. Now the product has been successfully imported on a Shopify store. Now if you see, the option is grayed out. So you need to do a hard refresh in order to enable the product properly on your Shopify store. And once you do, you can even browse the product. So now there we go. Now the product shows properly over here. And the status is published, and in inventory you have 1 out of 8. So you can even change the design of it by clicking on this pencil icon, and you can duplicate the product. Similarly, you can also create an order over here, custom manual order. Now, if we go under products, then over there also you will be able to see the product that you have imported from Printify. So now let's wait. Yeah, there we go. You can see the product over here under Shopify products also. And you can even link it to some particular collections that you have on your Shopify store. Now let's open the front end of the website and see whether the product is appearing on the front end or not. So guys, I have opened the front end of the website. Let me close this pop-up and let's scroll down. There we go. We can see the product on the front end of the Shopify website. Now let me open this. So you can see the product is t-shirt, and I had entered the name as coded on it. So now when the customer will come on the website and he will see the product, he's going to purchase it. And when he will purchase the product, then you're going to get order on your Shopify store, and same order will be placed on Printify. Then Printify is going to ship the product to the customer, and you are going to get margin. So this is how you start the dropshipping business. Similarly, you can import more products from the Printify, and you can start the dropshipping business, and you can earn nearly $500 per day, and even you can more than $1,000 a day if you are really putting more effort on this dropshipping business.